In the previous video, we learned about length of an arc, which is equal r theta. And we know that this theta is in the radian. Find the perimeter of each of these sectors. Okay, so let's try A. Now the perimeter will be this radius plus this radius and the arc length. So the arc length for this one is 4 times 1.1, and this is a 4. So the perimeter will be 4 plus 4 plus 4.4 times 1.1. Okay, so altogether will be 8 plus 4.4 equal 12.4 centimeter. Let's try this C. So the perimeter will be this 5 plus this 5, so we have to find what is the arc length of this one. So the arc length for this one will be 5 times 4.2. So the perimeter, okay, the perimeter will be equal 5 plus 5 plus 5 times 4.2. So the total will be 5 plus 5, 10, 5 times 4.2 is 21, and the total is 31 centimeter. Try to practice this question.